hasn't done anything. That's why I'm angry.
As you can see, we have a crazy ride. An SUV 6.4 ME just arrived in the workshop. 6.4 SRT in the building. You guys know that things like this, I like to handle it myself. 6.4. Crazy ride.
Ranking is what?
Yeah. So this is coming for an engine replacement, you know. And you know what we can do with American vehicles? We're gonna bring this beast back to life. You know, take it back on the road and let's restore this.